Hi everyone, I'm Sonam. I'm a health nutritionist and today I'm going to talk about a very ignored topic which is about healthcare of senior citizens. And especially in senior citizens, when a data analysis was done, it was realized that the male gender tends to be more at the areas of difficulty in healthcare, because what happens is by default the female gender, in even if they come in the category of senior citizens, they are still more active by default. So be it because of the household work, be it because of the responsibilities that they share, or be it because of the culture that we have in India. So what happens is that the male genders, they tend to become more lazy, their lifestyle becomes more sedentary, and that's why they are at a risk of higher health issues regarding heart attacks and high BP and cholesterol. And it gets very easily ignored, be it because of the retirement thing or be it because of they choose to live a sedentary lifestyle. So what can be done is, few quick tips as to how to make sure that the healthcare of senior citizens, especially males, is paid more attention to. So few tips I'll be sharing with you. Please listen it to the end because I'll be sharing few really important tips here. uh, Tip 1, make sure that you keep a check on their salt and sugar level, that it should be really low, because both salt and sugar does not give any nutritional value, so go really low on them. Second, make sure that they are physically active. Some kind of physical movement is really important. They have to go for walks, they should probably do some yoga, so this will keep them socially active as well. Third point is, make sure to keep their liquids high. If they don't have any major medical condition where the liquid intake is restricted, make them high go on liquids. Fourth is, this really works for them. One small katori of dahi and chini. Why? Because the dahi, the curd, will work as probiotic for their stomach, which is of course needed to make sure everything is good inside their gut. And chini, sugar. So a little chini, although I said go low on sugar, but little chini with dahi, what it does is, so sugar will take care of the probiotic and chini will give a little rush of energy which will give them happiness inside. So my fourth point comes after all this is that you need to keep them happy. What happens is, when senior citizens, they feel isolated, they feel left out, they don't have much work, so they end up eating. To kill time, they are binging. So you must make sure that they are happy, they have a happy environment, they are doing everything that they used to do in a more monitored manner. Don't go very strict with them. I've seen lot of senior citizens are monitored in a very strict manner where they're told ye mat khao, wo mat khao. What happens, of course we are doing it with good intentions, but what happens is they kind of shut themselves from inside, which is very wrong. We must understand कि जो old age होती है, that same like toddlers. क्या हम बच्चे को डांट डांट के खिलाएंगे? नहीं ना. ऐसे ही हमें बड़े लोगों को, सीनियर सिटीजन्स को प्यार से खिलाना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू टैकल देम प्यार से. दे टर्न इनटू लिटिल किड्स, सो वी रियली कांट लूज आवर पेशेंस विद देम. Another very important tip is keep their portions small. Don't overfeed them. They can't have same kind of food what they were eating in their 40s and 50s and early 60s. You have to go easy on the portions. Don't force them. Just keep them happy, just keep them active, keep them hydrated, and keep a check on salt and sugar. Another few things is that keep their medical reports checked up regularly. Like हम छोटे बच्चे के regular injections and checkups का ध्यान रखते हैं, same way it is our responsibility कि हम उनके medical tests को regularly check में रखें. And lastly, do me a favor as my fee for sharing these tips with you. Share this video as much as you can, because these few 5, 6, 7 points will really help them and you in handling all the senior citizens that are there with you. And especially for Father's Day, which is this round the week, and this month is all about fathers. And I thought let me talk about males. So go down in the description in this video and fill the form, enroll your father, your grandfather, chacha, tau, anyone, and avail special discounts, because I think it's time we must learn to take care for them. Because as I said, by default the males are prone to higher risk of health diseases, because by default they are less active, by default they are binging more. So we really need to plan their food in a manner where they don't get all the unwanted diseases in their body. So eat smart with me and go down the description to enroll them. And happy Father's Day to all the lovely fathers out there. Thank you.